Hi guys, this is Subhash here, a Biker Baba Vlogs, and you guys are most welcome into my YouTube channel. I'm a Goan YouTuber. So today I am on the ride, Kalem, South Goa, and that's the road there, Kalem. So I came from that road. You must be seen in my previous episode. So I'm taking this road to the Savade. In the middle of the road, I will take the right to the Dhabar. It's around 15 kilometers maybe from here. So I'll capture that and then go to the Shiroda, catch the ferry boat there, and I'll go home. So this is the ride. So I'll go to the Dabal now. So let's see what we can see there. These places are unexplored places. Never came anybody to show this place, so I'll try to show you this. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos. Okay then, let's go. Yeah, they have village Devna Mall, something called here, this side. So I'll go this side, and this is the village. Even government school they have here. Okay, let's go. So guys, this is the road here. Only for around 2 kilometers they have something stretch like this, and this is mining area, and now it's water there. Alright guys, I'm almost in the Dabal now, and this is the junction, you can say it like that. This is the entrance of the village here, and this road will connect to the other side there, on my road there, that will connect to the Ponda and all later. So I'll go this side first, on this way, and cover some area. Then from there is one more road there, so I'll take that road and come back on this road. They have a school also there, so I'll show you that later on. From that side I'll come. Okay, let's go to the main village there inside on this main road here. So this road goes to the Dabalde in the town, and little bit further. What I was telling you about the school and all on the way, it's this side. So I'll go there and try to show you there. Okay, then I'll have to come back on this road again. Okay, let's go. So this is the school of Dabal here, guys. The children are there inside. Maybe boarding school. Okay, let's go. So guys, I will end this video from here in Dabal. It's almost done here. So if you like this video, please do subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos. Okay then guys, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.